Hey guys, what's going on? Did another install video for you guys. I did one on this piece right here, the shifter surround that's carbon fiber, and I wanted to do the other install video for the steering wheel surround for this piece, and that piece, and then for the actual shifter for right here. I ordered them a couple of days after I ordered these ones. I can give you guys the exact ship date and when I got them. So I'll put that in the description of the video. Got them. These set of pieces for the steering wheel and for the shifter surround came from the United States. This piece here came from someplace in China, so we'll be able to go, and it took a little bit longer, but it arrived at the same time as this one said here did, but this one was also not supposed to even ship until the 14th, and today's the 15th of October. So this is how it looks for this one. Here's the shifter piece here. 3 pieces of 3M tape. I did see some people say that you didn't even need it, that the piece fit real tight on there. But we'll see how it sits without the tape. If I do need to put the tape, then I'll put the tape on. Then you have these pieces here. That's the lower part, and it has the 3M tape on there. The centerpiece here, which would go like that. The left piece here, that would go there. And then the right piece, that would go right there. So what I'm going to do is, and like I said, they all have 3M style tape on the back. What I'm going to do is I'm going to clean everything off real quick. Take the orange surround that's around there, take that off, because I don't think it's going to be able to fit on there with it on there. I'll be able to tell you if it does or it doesn't. Since that's going to go and dress this up, I'm probably just going to take that off and leave it off anyway. So I'm going to go and clean it up, and then I'll go and I'll get it installed, and I'll let you guys see how it looks. Alright guys, that's how it looks when it's fully installed. Try and get you guys a good look. The fitment is actually really good. Just watch when you install, because this piece up here is extremely thin. It may snap off if you take it out of the package too carefully. Like, it barely just fits in the plastic packaging that it comes in. It's like a little sandwich baggy type of thing, but the fitment is actually very nice, and it covers up on, let me see if I can get that for you guys. Focus. Let's see if I can get it. Yeah, it goes all the way to the bottom. It covers that whole entire area. Both areas here. And then this area right here. The key for this one is to put it up inside the top part first, then slide it down, and then it fits perfect. Like I said, like, it's not moving at all. It fits very well. This one here kind of goes, and you'll feel like it'll kind of pop or snap on. And I tried doing it without the 3M tape on. I give you 3 pieces of 3M tape. It fit okay, but it still slid off this way. Front to back was fine. It slid this way. So I did use the 3M tape on there. But that's how it looks with that. I think it dresses it up just enough. Like I said, in another video I'm going to do, this is going to get replaced, and that's going to get replaced. Now, the question that I'm posing to you guys on the channel, just leave, what you think in the comments. It comes with this piece also for right here. I don't know if I like that or not. I think it might be too much carbon fiber. You guys let me know in the comments what you think. But I didn't put this on specifically because I wasn't sure. But this is how the 3M tape comes on there. And you could tell it's a decent amount that they give you. And they put it in all the, like the right particular spots that you need, like around, like the very corners and everything. If you wanted to, you could put some more here if you were really, worried about it going and popping off, but it shouldn't be bad. But I just wanted to show you guys exactly how this would look. It doesn't look bad like that. I don't know if I'm going to put it on or not. I'm going to wait until I get these in first, and then I'm going to see how much it dresses it up. And if I don't need this, then I don't need it. But That's how it looks when it's all done. I think it dresses it up enough to where it looks like it could have came like this, you know, like as a factory option. But I think everything turned out really good. I'm going to put the links to everything in the description, and I'm going to also link the other video to how to install this, which you don't have to take off anything, because if you do want to go and wrap these yourself, you have to take and mess with the airbag, you have to mess with the shifter, and it's kind of a pain. And then if you get one scratch on that, then you're back in the same spot where you have to rip it all out again. So that's what it looks like when it's totally done and installed. I didn't think this part was going to come today with this other stuff because it was coming from China, but I really think that it turned out really, really good. Like I said, I'm not really sure if I'm going to put that centerpiece on or not. I'm going to wait till I get these other two pieces and get them in, because I really need them to dress these two areas up. And then if I need to dress it up even more, then I'll even go right there. But that's pretty much the end of the video. Please like and subscribe if you want to. I'll be putting out some more videos every now and then. And thank you for watching.